So have you been considering making the move from the East Coast, Midwest, West Coast, or pretty much anywhere across the country, and you're looking to find somewhere in Southwest Florida that has more of that smaller new construction community feel, that is a small neighborhood, small home site sizes, that isn't full of thousands of residents, but yet has a low HOA fee? Well, we are actually standing in the Strand community built by Centex Homes here in Northport, Florida, which is part of Sarasota County, kind of in the northeastern part of Northport. And right behind me, we are going to be walking through the Mystique model, which is a 4-bed, 2-bath, 2-car garage, just a little over 2,000 square feet. And the best part is how affordable this house is right behind me. It's only $407,000, which if you were to put a 2,000 or 2,100 square foot house in Sarasota that has 4 bedrooms, you're easily looking at mid 500s to even $600,000. And the best part is that this HOA fee is super low here. It's only $250 a month for resort style amenities, which if you guys want to go check those out, you guys can click the link down or at the top of the of this video, which actually walks through the whole entire Strand community, giving you guys an overview of kind of what to expect when living in the Strand community. So if you guys want more information on the off-market inventory here in this community, or even Centex Homes, or even any new construction community here in Northport, join our dedicated VIP email list. Reach out to us with our contact information right here, notifying us of kind of what you guys are looking for, and we'd be more than happy to send you all the different floor plans and all the different information that you are looking for. So with all that being said, let's pop into this house and let's check out the Mystique model.